here at Bags Lounge. I'm having pasta, rice, of course siomai and siopaw, and some soup. So my first meal is this.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Dito kami ngayon sa Jantan.
Pupunta kami ng
We're going to
Market.
kain kami ng maraming street food. Yun guys, walk trip dito kami sa kanan guys. Dami na ito na po, marami na pong food. Bye bye guys.
Hey guys, we're here in Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. I think this is the fourth time na ata that I have been here. Ayoko nang pumunta doon. Ayoko nang umakyat. Nakakapagod. And weather is okay naman. I think much better kasi hindi sunny today. Medyo cloudy. And it's expected to rain this afternoon. So technically yung weather naman is okay. So ayun so dito merong may maganda yung view kasi sobrang lawak niya. Tapos merong view na parang temple and then another temple on the other side and then there's the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. We are having this and then vongole and then chicken. We're having escargot. We're having dinner. Fairly sulit to. This is only 178 NTD. You get the pork chop, tapos parang rice with meat, and then gulay, soup with meatballs. Tapos nagpa-add lang ako ng oyster cake. This is additional 80 daw. Day 3 here in Taiwan, and we are here in Taichung, and we visited the flower village, flower farm. This is the first stop, so we rented a van for like 6,000. That's good for 8 people na yung van na nakuha namin. So, kasi may kasama ako mga senior, so I think that's a better idea for if you're traveling with adults. So, yeah, let's try to enjoy this. So, 120 pesos pala yung 120 pesos yung entrance here for adults, and then 60 for children. So, okay naman, ang ganda dito. Second stop is the Rainbow Village. Ang ganda dito. Hey guys, we're here in Taipei Zoo. So, ang ating activity today is to look for the animals. Kasi finding the animal dito, parang ang lungkot-lungkot ng mga animals. So, entrance fee here is 100. Pwedeng gamitin yung mga easy card and all. Tapos, for you to get here, meron namang sariling station siya. It's on the brown line lang. Tapos around like 35 NTD lang from Seamen. Parang ang lulungkot ng mga animals here. Parang basta ang lungkot nila. Mag-isa lang kasi sila. Anyway, let's enjoy this time. Hey guys, we're here in Gloria Outlets. So, madami namang brands in fairness. Magaganda yung mga selections here. May Coach, may Prada, may Loewe, Chloe, Tod's, Tory Burch, and then the usual like New Balance, Nike, Adidas, and all. So, let's see saan tayo makakarating today. This is actually near the airport na. So, nag-high speed rail lang kami from Taipei main station. I think much better to kung like galing ka ng airport or papunta ka na ng airport. Meron naman din sila mga lockers for your luggage. So, I think it's worth traveling or going here kasi parang yung fare namin going to from Taipei main station is around like 155 or 160. So balikan, so like 310 lang yung binayaran namin. So yun, punta ka rin kayo dito. It's worth going here. Hey guys! I'm here in Yellow Geo Park. So we booked this through Klook. You may use my code, get some discounts. So it will bring you to Yellow Geo Park and then Schufen, Gifen, and a lot more. So book nyo na to sa Klook. Mas madaling puntahan. Mas madali yung tour kesa i-DIY nyo siya. So one of the things that you need to see here in Yellow Geo Park is the Queen's Head. So ayun yung line for you to see that rock formation, which is the Queen's Head. Hey guys, I'm here in Yellow Geo Park. This is the first stop of the tour that we booked through Klook. You may use my code to get some discounts. First is the Yellow Geo Park. Then pupunta kami mamaya ng Shifen Waterfall and then the Shifen yung railway. And then pupunta kami ng Jufen, the old street. So much better to book this through Klook para tour na siya kasi medyo mahirap siya puntahan. It's not that accessible. Marami ka pang kailangan sakyan. So I think sulit na yung tour nito for the whole day to get the 4 tourist spots here in Taipei. So yeah, let's enjoy this. Shifen Old Street. So, nandun sa likod yung dito nagpapalipad ng mga lanterns. Then the railroad. And then I am having the chicken wings and the chicken roll. Hey guys, we're here in the airport at nag-ubos muna kami ng laman ng Easy Card. It's like 15 minutes before boarding time. Tapos,
How to finish your 500 new Taiwan dollar in 10 minutes. Buy things from the vendor. Hey.
make sure to empty all of your Easy Cards. So yung mga vendors dito, ang dami namin nabili. So yun lang. We are on our way to our boarding gate 15 minutes before our boarding time. So I'll end my vlog here. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para masaya.
Ring the bell, guys.
Bye guys.